Hello everyone, welcome to the current news updated YouTube channel. Here you will get to see on the daily basis topic wise current news under the latest news updated program. Today the topic of discussion is Bihar first nuclear power plant. Let's see why in news. Recently, during the 5th Eastern Region Power Ministers meeting in Patna, the Union Power Minister announced the center's approval for Bihar to set up first nuclear power plant based on a small modular reactor SMR technology. This marks a transformative shift in Bihar's energy landscape, addressing its power deficits and limited infrastructure while advancing nuclear energy in the eastern region. About first nuclear power plant, the nuclear power plant is based on a small modular reactor SMR technology. The project is expected to ensure a stable electricity supply, attract industrial investment, generate employment, and drive technological advancement in the state. Considering Bihar's history of power shortage and limited infrastructure, this initiative represents a significant change in its energy sector. Now let's discuss about nuclear energy mission. Its aim to expand India's nuclear power capacity, develop indigenous technology and strengthen energy security. Its aim to increase India's nuclear power plant capacity from 8,180 megawatt to 100 gigawatt by 2047, focusing on indigenous small modular reactor SMR with 20,000 crore allotted for R&D. Now let's see a small modular reactor. Discuss about modular reactor. These are a small advanced nuclear reactor with up to 300 megawatt capacity amount, about one third of the traditional reactors. They are cost effective, safer, and ideal for areas with moderate power demands where a large plant are impractical. A small modular reactor Bhabha Atomic Research Center BARC is developing SMRs to replace retiring coal plants and supply energy to remote areas. While the Department of Atomic Energy DAE is working on reactors for hydrogen production and utilizing India's thorium resource. Now is the time for practice question. Where is the Bihar's first nuclear power plant being constructed? A. Muzaffarpur, B. Aurangabad, C. Darbhanga, D. Nawada, Rajouri. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. If you watch more such videos on the daily basis, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Current News Updated, and press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification first. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.